Hey, what's up YouTube? Since from last few weeks we are hearing three biggest iPhone 13 features and they are related to its design, specs and the battery life. Okay, the first thing which we are going to talk about is the notch. As you are already familiar with the notches since from the iPhone 10 series and right from iPhone 10 to iPhone 12 series, the notches are looking same. We have the same design, but this year we are finally going to see the smaller notch on the upcoming iPhone 13 series, just because the fact that most of the credible leakers online has been pointing out this generation of iPhone 13 model are going to be coming with a smaller notch. Mactakara information indicates that the next generation iPhone 13 series is going to be coming with a smaller notch, just because the fact the earpiece has been moved towards the bezels. Also, another popular leaker, Digitime, has shared their information that the next generation of iPhone 13 series Face ID will be integrated with different components into same camera module, just like the LiDAR scanner that has been coming with different components in a similar camera module, which means that we have the Face ID that is going to be little bit on a smaller size. iCinewatch is also claiming that we are getting smaller notch, but interesting enough, he is pointing out it is going to be shorter rather than narrower. So which one is going to be this? iRepair, which is a great company, shared a few photos with the Mac rumor and they have indicated three different models of the iPhones, like the iPhone 13 mini, the 13 and 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max, which are coming with similar notch. And you can already see that there is going to be a cutout on the top for the earpiece that is going to be holding. If we line up the iPhone 13 series with the leaked images, you will notice that there is going to be a significant 30% smaller, which is going to be a significant change. We are also hearing rumors about the Touch ID that Apple is going to be implemented in the iPhone 13 series, and do keep in note that this is going to be at least present in the testing level right now. So guys, these are some of the big design changes that are coming inside the iPhone 13 models. The second big report that is arriving from the Winbush analyst, and it is going to be pointing out that the next generation of iPhone 13 series is also coming with a device which will support a 1 TB of storage option. And the third biggest leak that is coming for the iPhone 13 series is about the battery capacity. Ming Chinko is pointing out that the iPhone 13 will be coming with a larger battery capacity just because the fact that Apple is making some of the component even smaller, which is going to be a great option because as you already know, the iPhone 12 series is coming with a smaller battery capacity even from the iPhone 11 series of devices. So the iPhone 13 is expected to be coming with a larger battery, which means that it is going to be happening. Also, Mactakara is pointing out that this year the iPhone 13 models are going to be towards a little bit on the heavier side, and along with that they are going to be a little bit on the thicker side as well. So guys, that is it in this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.